Hindi ka malas. At hindi ka rin pinaparusahan ng mundo. Minsan, binibigyan ka lang ng pagkakataon para mas maging malakas ka kaysa kahapon. Kasi kung walang challenges, walang growth. Kung walang pain, wala ring healing. At kung wala ring struggle, hindi mo rin makikilala yung sarili mo kung gaano ka katatag. Yung mga problemang iniiyakan mo ngayon, yan din yung magiging dahilan kung bakit magiging proud ka sa sarili mo balang araw. Hindi ka nahuhuli. Hindi ka rin napag-iiwanan. You're just being prepared. So that's why I want you to remember this. Challenges don't come to destroy you. They come to reveal you. Reveal your strength. Reveal your courage. And reveal your purpose. So if life feels heavy right now, hinga ka lang at tandaan mo hindi ka tagnat. You're just in the middle of becoming. And trust me, magiging worth it